For this session, we are going to discuss about sensory receptors. Sensory receptors are specialized structures which is present throughout the body, which are responsible for getting stimuli from external environment, and this stimulus are taken to our brain for response. Sensory receptors receives external stimuli and then detect changes in the internal as well as external environment. So it comprises specialized cells, that is neurons. So they are mentioned as taking the signals from the environment or stimuli and send signals to the central nervous system for the processing of primary response. These simple receptors perceives certain main signals such as pain, pressure, hot, coldness, and balance of the body, muscle tension, etc. There are 3 different types of sensory receptors in our body, other than specific receptors for hearing, taste, sight, touch, and smell. So they are in the form of 3 structures. Either it may be free nerve endings or dendrites of neurons, or encapsulated nerve endings, or specialized receptor cells. Free nerve endings are the unmyelinated neurons spread like a thread and encompassed inside the tissue. They receive the signals from the environment through the skin epidermis and hypodermis. So these nerve endings, so we can see now there are 3 different receptors, simple receptors in our body. That is, first one you are seeing that free nerve endings, the second one is encapsulated nerve endings, another one is sensory cells, so which are specifically for sensing taste, smell, sight, and touch. So now let's see the free nerve endings or dendrites. So they are myelinated part of neurons. So the myelin, the neurons are end up in tissues, and they are free nerve endings which are responsible for pain especially, and pressure, hot, cold, balancing of muscle tension, etc. So it gives prickling pain, and it detects the external stimuli of the body. So now you can see the nerve ending. So these structures, these free nerve ending structures are present in dermis of epithelium or of our skin, and then cornea of our eye, and gastrointestinal tract. So where any stimuli due to pain or pressure or chemical, it will detect and inform our brain. So it's also present in connective tissues, and it also present in facial ligaments, joint capsules, and tensons, and tympanic membrane of ear, and dental pulp. So where these places we can get perfect stimuli. So the second one is encapsulated nerve endings. These encapsulated nerve endings are the nerve endings are covered by cells, that is mid epithelial cells. So these covered structures are called, there are different covered structures: mucinous capsules, Vater Pacinian capsules, and capsula ruffini, and bulb of Crayus. So these capsular structures also present in our body, where you can see four different structures in the dermis. Here you can see Rifani capsule, Pacinian structures, mucinous capsules, and all. So when we take mucinous capsule, they are ovoid in structure, present in dermal papilla of skin. It's very sensitive to touch, and it's present on our palm, sole, nipple, and external genitalia. Due to age, it will it will reduce by age. So where you can see and the Batter Pacinian capsule. So these are also present in our dermis and subcutaneous ligament and our pleura. So here you can see the Pacinian capsule. The structure of Pacinian capsule is a lamellar one. So lamellar structure is present, and corpuscle Rifani are present in cutaneous region of the tissue, dermal papillae, and hypodermis. So this is responsible for stretch receptors of skin. Then here you can see the Rifani capsule. So it's a bundle. It's a bundle-like structure. So the nerve ending will be present inside the bundle. So next to that specialized receptors, as we can see in the previous slide. So these specialized structure are meant for the normal different senses like taste, light, sound, and head movements. So these are all about our simple sensory receptors. So we'll see the remaining rest of the things in the next